Hello everyone. I deliver my paper on national seminar on education in the era of pandemic. This seminar is organized by Indian Institute of Teacher Education. First of all, I am very thankful for organizing committee members of this seminar. I am also thankful Honorable BC Dr. Harshad Patel, convener Dr. Kalpesh Pathak, coordinator Dr. Divya Sharma. Namaskar. I am Mahen Singh from Maranand B.Ed College, affiliated AKU Patna, Bihar. As part step up taken to fight the spread of COVID-19, the government announced that all institutions uh, make social distance. In this situation, ICT enabled teaching process played well role. We are not know what happened in May, June, July, August, and other month of 2020 and next year. So far, I think in this consumes nothing is stationary or fixed. Change take place every moment. We will not hold our uh, classes, academic institution uh, in a long time. Our accountability to organize, to operate, to plan next stage classes, exams, evaluation of degrees. ICT now I am deliver my paper on ICT based teaching learning process. ICT produce better teaching learning examination system through ICT innovative apps, computers, software, and transmit of other devices. It ICT role in teaching learning. ICT make interactive uh, contents. In ICT make interactive environment. ICT also role uh, do forever errors. ICT use personally, socially, emotionally, and what desirable requirement of the condition. ICT knowledge creation searchable better than better. ICT give critical thinking skill uh, and that student reflect ourselves and carry out his problems in his situation to his teacher, her teacher. ICT is subjective for subject. As also ICT is objective for subject. What you should learn, you make helpful tool use of ICT. Through ICT, we collect new positive knowledge and also distribute our knowledge. It use of word, process, multimedia, live knowledge in ICT is better. First of all, we categorize our works for new conditions in COVID-19 in different subject during account uh, knowledge formally nor formally. Through ICT, we visit online classes, online library, uh, online worksheet. Most important feature is now time is online reading, comprehensive practice. Through through online design lesson, exercise, discussion, exams, and other activity, we get out common interest. We get our required result through ICT. ICT uh, also played well role in exam. In exam through ICT, performance based test, assignment, examination for 2020. We think about examination for 2020. I propose myself MAT. MAT means multi academic trust. We are in our homes, but we are connected through a institution, through a target. So MAT, multi academic trust, is perfective. Through ICT enabled teaching learning, through ICT enabled exam, multi academic trust make better. ICT based exam, I propose two types. First type through Viva analysis performance. ACP, I propose ACP type of exam in this situation. ACP means analysis class performance through Viva. Now I give new name VACP. Viva analysis class performance is best tool to find out our student result. Organize Viva, uh, we take our student performance and make result through a checklist, through multi type of questions जैसे एज नेट and different banking exams also happened this uh, condition. Second type ICT based exam OE, online exercise. In online exercise, time limit, answer through yes or no or SMS, student give his response and take result. Use of two types we make our result. ICT used in classroom, in ICT used in mm, examination is better in now time. My think about ICT enabled teaching learning process. I gave ICT conclusively think my ICT make a possible direction. ICT make different manner but achieve our target. Thank you everyone.